Marketing Director at BSI, and today I want to show you our full service access guard. Now what makes this the wow factor is that it has the ability to pivot upward, have an upward resting position that won't make it fall and tilt forward, so that your staff can easily and safely get in, change out different food, clean the back of the glass, which is always a challenge. And then, in order to be more efficient, your staff simply needs to nudge the glass a little bit, and our patented soft shut closure will return the glass to the resting full service position. And then another item that makes this amazing is that it is convertible. So in order to convert it to self-service, you simply flip the glass back up, adjust the pins, and nudge it back down, and you now have the NSF approved resting position for self-service.